Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, and today it's going to be a quick video on how we can actually install an iOS simulator on our Mac. Alright, so without any further ado, let's get started. I'm on my Mac and I'm now going to open my App Store, and over here I'm going to search for Xcode. So it is open source, it is free, and you can just install it on your Mac. So let's give it a while and it shall download. We get this little pop-up over here that says multiple extensions have been added, and that is just fine. Let it be. So we'll open Xcode now. For now, go to Xcode over here, go to settings, and over here look for components, and over here macOS 15.5 is built in, and then we have got this iOS 18.5 or 18 plus 18.6 simulator. Now this is the simulator runtime that we need, and it's going to take some around 9 GBs of your disk space. So please be mindful about that. Okay, so this is done. Now let's close this and let's go back to this Xcode, open developer tools and simulator. And now my iPhone 16 Plus simulator has come up. Alright, so this is just a simulator, so it won't have any iCloud settings or all those kind of things over here. And you can now start using your simulator from this simulator app. Now this is iPhone 16 Plus. Let us say that you want a different iPhone simulator. So close this and in simulator go to File, New or Open Simulator. And these are the available simulators that you can run on your machine. So let's say I wanted an iPad Pro 11-inch M4, and I click that and I get a simulator for that. So it might take a little while to come up. And yes, here you go. So this is my iPad Pro 11-inch M4 simulator. But what if you want to use it on your VS Code also? So for that, you open VS Code. So now this is my VS Code, and let's go to extensions and look for Android iOS emulator. So this is, if it is not installed on your machine, you will have to install it. Now once you have done it, just hit Command Shift and P on your keyboard and search for emulator. Hit enter and it says view Android or iOS emulator. Now let's quickly see an iOS emulator. I'm going to hit over there, and then it gives me all the available emulators that I've got on my machine. So for now, let's just hit with iPhone 16 Pro, and it says I'm starting it, and it has come up on my other machine. I'm going to drag it over here. It has come up, and yes, so my iPhone 16 Pro is now running. The emulator is now running, and whatever apps that I'm building on my VS Code, I can see it over here. Now there are a few cool features with this emulator or with this simulator of the iOS. You can go to this features tab and you can play around over here. Face ID, you can authorize Apple Pay and all those kind of things. IO, so send keyboard input to device. All those kind of things you can do. You can rotate it, orientation, you can change the orientation, and you see the orientation has changed. Okay, so this is it for this video. I hope it would be of some help to you, and if it did help you in some way, please hit the like button for this video and please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.